looks like rain. You know, I'm not supposed to be riding this sidewalk. I gotta get out of here. Man, but I gotta find a gas station. I'm nearly out. But in these rural parts, it's hard. I gotta get back to the highway. But wow, riding Romania, look at this countryside. It's beautiful. You know, I love rural Romania. But I still need gas. Signs of life. Maybe if I can just pull in somewhere around here. Okay, here we are at the, it's my first Romanian gas stop. And if that's not exciting enough, you know, Romania's actually, it's self-service. Anywhere else I've been in the Balkans, I rarely, if ever, found a self-service gas station. But I've got a bit of a problem. I stick my credit card in here, and it asks for a PIN. This is something that happens often in these countries in Europe where credit cards require a PIN. It's an extra security thing, but in the U.S. we don't have this. So right now, I cannot get it. I even tried using my ATM card, which has a PIN. Ah, damn it. Rain. Just what I was afraid of. You know, I hate riding in rain. But that's what you get when you're riding the world. Deal with it. I'm off to Bucharest, and then tomorrow to Dragășani. Stay with me. Let's ride.